So welcome to the adventures of little guy. What's your name gonna be?
Tyreek Hill.
Somebody already has that name. What's your
Check
name?
out the TikTok, link in bio. He's, you know what it is. 1,000 followers, gotta get those numbers up. Rookie numbers.
No, you gotta come up with a name.
ESO.
Just ESO?
My TikTok name.
That's your last name.
My TikTok name.
Anyway, so we're here at the gym. And we're gonna start doing videos here starting next week. We're finally moved down here to Oklahoma City, and we're gonna start the vlogs again, doing all types of review videos, these gym videos for me and him to show our progress and progression. But here's a clip of him shooting for his PR of 225. Here's the clip right now. All right, everybody, we're at the gym. PR 225, 1 rep for Lucas. Let's see if he can do it.
Buddy, I'm not getting it.
Oh, don't say that. Let's go, get it.
I don't even know if I can get it.
Doesn't matter, I got you. If I have to, I'll drop the phone and pick up the weight. If not, you got this. Let's go. I just did it for 5. Let's go. Come on, man, you're wasting time. TikTok won't wait.
Oh my God, dude.
YouTube won't wait. Let's go. Come on. Push. Push. You got it. 1. Come on, push. Push it up. All right, okay.
How much did you help me?
Barely. I just kind of kept it straight. Because you were leaning a little bit this way. Actually, yeah.
Swear to God.
Do it again then if you think you're so bad.
I don't think I'm so bad.
Well, you did it. You didn't have good control, but you did it.
You helped me.
Here's a clip of me doing 225. For 5?
You hit it for 6.
No, it was 5, I think.
6.
Anyway, here's the clip. Here it is.
I might have to, yeah.
All right, come on. Give me 8 reps. 8 reps.
I already did 5. I could probably, I don't even know if I can get another 5 in.
6. Let's go.
You're pushing your luck.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more. You got it. Come on. That's what I'm talking about, bro. Hey, dog.
Sloppy, dog. Sloppy.
Sloppy dog.
Sloppy.
All right, so there you have it. So this is just the beginning stages. Also, we're going to throw in a clip right now from when he first worked out with me 2 years ago.
That's bad.
Here we go. Here's the clip.
That's bad.
Oh, let's see if you can lift the bar.
Oh, bro.
Here we go. Here he goes. Here he goes. What in God's name? Look at him. The big wildebeest on the bench. No, bring it. Put the bar down. Put it back on there. Put it back down. What did you forget to do? You got to make sure your hands are the right width apart, or else you're going to be heavy on one side. No. The first one.
Oh, so this one?
First one. There you go. Now you can do it. Straight up. Down. Whoa. Straight up. Keep your arms straight. It's like riding a bike. You got to keep your bike up. Oh, don't tip it over.
I can't do it.
It's only 45 pounds. Well, you got to practice. Well, you got to try. You got to try, shipmate. Oh, don't hit your head. Come on, you got to try. The only way you're going to get good at it is by doing it.
Okay.
So do it. Do at least 10 reps. Give me at least 10. Keep your arms together and straight. Go. 2, 3, 4.
That's not happening. I can't.
5. Give me at least 6. Come on. 7. I don't even know what number. That was from 2022. If that doesn't motivate you, I don't know what else will.
Real.
All right, so stay tuned for more. We're going to be doing this on a regular basis over YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. So
No Facebook.
I got Facebook. Okay. His link and stuff will be in the description box as well. Let us know what you think.